Now let's discuss how to interface LED with Arduino. So here we are going to use a software that is a Tinkercad. So this is a console of a Tinkercad. Now first I will take here Arduino board. So we have to type here Arduino. So we will get here Arduino, or you can search it also here. You will get that Arduino also. This is Arduino board. So we have taken this Arduino board. Now next is nothing but we required here LED. So therefore directly you can search it here or you will get it. This is LED. So we want this LED and we require this resistor also. These are the three requirements for interfacing with Arduino. Now let's discuss how to do a connection for this. So if you observe here, this is nothing but anode. This is your cathode. So this anode first I will be connected to pin number 13. This is a digital pin 13. Whereas now whatever resistor is there, now I am going to connect this resistor here. You can rotate it, this resistor also. So I am going to connect this resistor here like this. Here it is connected to this point and this will be connected to a ground. So it is so simple. This is the interfacing of LED with Arduino. Now we have to discuss a code here. So here you will be able to see code. So I will take here text. Now this is what is a code. Here you will observe that first one is a void setup function. That is, it is used to initialize your pin of a Arduino as a output or input or configure Arduino. So pin mode here I have written 13 comma output. Now why I have written here output? Because LED is the output device and to the pin number 13, that is digital pin number 13, we have connected LED. So we have to treat this digital pin number 13 as an output. So pin mode 13 comma output. Next is nothing but now in a void loop we will write first digital write 13 comma high. The meaning of this is nothing but to the pin number 13 we have connected here LED and high means here we are going to give high voltage, or we are going to give here say 2 or 3 voltage which is required for the operation of LED. Then delay 1000. Now instead of 1000 I will write it here 5000 so that it will be easily observed. Then here I will write wait for 5000 milliseconds. Then digital write 13 comma low. Now what is the meaning of that? That is to turn off a LED we have written this instruction digital write 13 comma low. Low means 0 volt. And again here we will provide a delay that is a 5000 milliseconds. So this is what is a very simple code. Now let's discuss how that code will run or how your LED will glow. So therefore here now I will take this color as a green. You can take any color. Now I will start a simulation. So start. Now you will be able to see this. You will be see that here in this case. Now it is for a 5 second. Let's say it will be turned on. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 to the 15 it will be turned off. So this is what is a very simple example or a simple experiment in which you can connect LED to the Arduino 328P. Thank you.